Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're taking a look at this cordless leaf blower. Let's go ahead and open it up, show you guys what you get in the package. Alright, you get two batteries, 20-volt batteries, and each battery has a little battery indicator light on the back here, which is awesome. You get a dual battery charger, which is really cool, and that just simply slides in like this. That is awesome, with indicator lights as well. This is your blower, which is really cool because take a look at this. You can actually have two batteries. So let's turn it on. Let's see here. Alright, so that's a little strange. You have to have both batteries plugged in for it to work. And of course, we have our accessory right here. They should have given you a screw. If you look in your box, it should come in here. And you put that right through there. It's just a single little screw. If they don't give you one, you guys can find a screw to fit the size. And let's go ahead and test this out. Definitely got some force with it. Alright, so I wouldn't say it's the best I've ever reviewed. I would say it's probably somewhere in between. So it's not bad, but it's not the greatest. I think they should have made it that you could use one battery or two. So it should have been wired up that you could just put one battery in and you can use it, or put two batteries in and you could use it. Splitting it up, so it's a 40-volt max, but splitting it up, I think they would have been better if they had one 40-volt battery. It's my personal opinion, or at least give an option of making it a 20-volt or a 40. My personal opinion. Overall, it's decent. It should get most jobs done though.